Question number 8. A compressed spring is used to launch an object along a horizontal frictionless surface. Okay, there is a frictionless surface here and it is used to launch it. Okay, when the spring is compressed to a distance x and released, the object leaves the spring at speed v. Why should it leave? Because you are compressing it. So it has some elastic force or elastic energy here. What is the energy stored by the spring? We all know it is nothing but half kx square. Okay, and when the object leaves here, what will happen? The spring already is being relaxed and it leaves it, and as a result of it, it picks up this energy. Whatever is the energy stored in it, it picks up this energy. So the energy which the object will move is half mv square. Okay, so therefore whatever was the energy stored in the spring, the same energy is given to it. Okay, so which means I can equate these two, right? What is the distance to which the spring must be compressed for the object to leave the spring at v by 2? Okay, so if I equate this, I get this as half mv square is equal to half kx square, or v should be equal to this half and half cancels, and I should be getting k by m, root of k by m into x. Now what is the question here? What is the distance through which the spring must be compressed? How much should you compress the spring? Okay, so that the object leaves at the spring v by 2. Okay, so what will I do? If I say I want to leave, I want to see lesser I compress, lesser the speed at which it goes, because you know the lesser energy it stores. More I compress, more immediately it just moves faster away. So as a result of it, when I say the speed should be v by 2, I will substitute here as v by 2, okay, is equal to root of k by m into x dash. I do not know what is x dash, right? So since x is proportional to v, when I say it is v by 2, x dash should also be equal to x by 2. If you want to go logically, or if you want to still solve the problem and proceed, what I can do is I can divide one with the other. What do? I will divide x dash by x. See, this equation by this equation should now be equal to root of k by m into v divided by, v by 2 divided by root of k by m into v. So this and this goes away, this and this cancels away. So get this as half, or x dash is equal to x by 2. Right, so the answer should be B over here. Okay, let us move on to the next.